All right. How old are you, Sophie?
5.
You're 5? Okay, show me your skills. Keep going this way. Good job. Keep going up. Go up this way. Are you going to go in a circle? You're getting good. You just learned on Saturday. And today's Tuesday. What is it, like March 22nd, I believe, 2011. Okay, show me how you go down.
Watch out, Mom.
Okay, just go this way to me. Okay, use the brake. Good job. Okay, now ride back up the hill. Okay, ride back up the hill. You're getting good, so keep going. Oh, show me how you go up the hill.
Is the chain done?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's go this way. Mom,
Yeah,
send it to Key.
okay. Go back this way, past our house, up the hill. And go down the hill one more time.
Okay, I'll go to you.
What happened? Oh, it's hard to go up the hill.
Watch out, Mom.
Okay.
Gonna hurt ya.
You're gonna hurt me?
Yeah, I'm gonna hurt ya. Okay. Let's daddy, nanny, nana, nana.
Can't believe that's my baby. Our spring is springing. Just like Sophie. We're gonna have blossoms really soon. This whole tree is gonna be full of them. There she is ringing her bell. All right, well, say goodbye. I'm gonna stop it. Do you have anything to say on the video? What would you like to say?
I actually don't have anything.
You don't have anything to say?
No. Mom, take a picture of me with the bike.
I did. I took some Saturday when you learned.
Do it today.
Right now? Okay.
No, really do it. Mom, really do it.
Okay.